How to verify Apple ID email address. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can verify your Apple ID's email address, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to verify your Apple ID email address, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up settings, and whenever you try to create a new Apple ID, or maybe you're logging into a new Apple ID, it'll ask you to verify your Apple ID email address. You might find the pop-up there. Now after you tap on verify, it will actually send a verification code to your email address. So depending upon whether you use Gmail, Yahoo, or iCloud itself, whichever email you use, you will get an email in that particular email, and only after you get the email you'll be able to verify your email address. This way you can go ahead and then verify your Apple ID email address. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.